the sense of irony, everyone is not completely lost on me that we're at a campsite today which is right next to Jeremy Clarkson's Diddly Squat Farm Shop. The same Jeremy Clarkson, of course, that has a bit of a hate relationship with caravans. Anyway, this is our review of the Camping and Caravanning Club's Chipping Norton site, which is just really sort of 2 miles outside the lovely picturesque Cotswolds town of Chipping Norton. Let's take a look. At the entrance you have obviously the reception, which is basically just a reception with some leaflets of places to go, and they've got a copy of bus timetables. We'll put a link to the bus timetable also in the description below the video. You have refuse and recycling near the main entrance. For people that are interested, Jeremy Clarkson's Diddly Squat Farm Shop is literally through that little gap that you can see between the trees. The bus stop, should you wish to go to Chipping Norton, is literally located just there. So entrance is via a keypad, obviously barrier. There's more than one of these, but this is obviously for fresh drinking water. So it's a modest sized site, but it's a very pleasant site, very peaceful site, with the exception of course of the road nearby. I guess you'd call it a slightly older site, but that's, I do not mean that in any kind of negative way, because for us, we just like these kind of sites, peaceful, out of the way, but easy access to places that you want to go to. So with the exception of the road noise, which is more noticeable on our pitch, we're on pitch 84, it's actually a lovely site, and I do not think it detracts from that whatsoever. Have toilet chemical disposal, and another drain for grey waste water. There's just one facilities block. This is the laundry. And leaflets. Only in Britain can you have a 28-29 degree sunny day and then the rain comes, but it's freshening the air, and I'm not going to complain about that. There is a family room now. The toilets are closed from around, I think it's 10:30 till 12 o'clock, but the family room is still accessible apart from 10:30 to 10:45. And as you can see, there are more fresh water taps located on the amenities block. There is a dog walk. While I'm on the dog walk, it's probably a good time to mention that if you're at the bottom end of this campsite, which is where we're located, which to be honest for us, it's been really hot and sunny, so we're quite grateful we're at the bottom end. In fact, we deliberately chose to be at the bottom end because there's a lot of tree cover. You are next to the busy A361, and there's no getting away from the fact that it's a trunk road effectively, and because it's a trunk road, it's quite noticeable until quite late at night, and it's obviously noticeable quite early in the morning when people are commuting to work. It's not a showstopper for us because we deliberately chose it for its location, and it's a beautiful part of Cotswolds. But as you can hear and no doubt see, you just need to be aware that you're close to a busy main road. Obviously that's not going to be so noticeable if you're further up the campsite. It's just something you should be aware of. It is, however, a lovely little walk. So this is a Caravan and Camping Club site. We're not members of the Caravan and Camping Club, and we paid therefore £85 for the 2 adults and 2 children for 2 nights on a grass pitch with electric. Now there is a choice on this campsite of just a grass pitch, no electric, grass pitch with electric, or hard standing with electric. They also have 5 what I think they call ready camp tents. I'll put that in the video now. So Wi-Fi is available across the site and it's free. It's not up to obviously streaming videos, etc., but it is useful for keeping in contact on social media, I guess. And it's not dropped out once, unlike some campsites that we stayed at before. There's a modest play area.
So this is just a bit of weird footage that he's not going to cope with. Ha ha ha. What are you doing that for? Can't you do something serious? Can't you do a talk to camera?
Nah.
Very busy morning, but you can hear the birds singing. And close proximity, I don't know if you can see that over there in the background. Nope. That is Diddly Squat Farm Shop. Whoa. Yes, we're that close.
We hope you enjoyed the video, everyone. If you did, please remember to give it the thumbs up. That will tell YouTube algorithms it was a good video, and more people should watch it. If you're not subscribed to the Live for Travel channel, why not hit the subscribe button? It'll appear above my head any moment. It's absolutely free to subscribe, but we value your support. See you soon.